Good morning, students. Good morning, students. We start our lesson. Fifth lesson. Okay? We start our lesson. The reaching the age of adolescence. Okay, we have seen after 10 years, we can see the changes in the girls and the boys. Yeah, we can see the changes. Okay, we can see the changes after the 10 years. Yeah, we can say from the 11 years also we can say the changes will be occurs in this age. From 11 to 19, they grow, they change their voice. Okay, externally they change their, okay, like that we can see. And some of the people, some of the girls or the boys, what they do means they shy to talk with the others. Okay, they shy to talk with the others. And also what they do, and after, okay, so it is the changes we can see in the age of 11 to 19 years. We can see the changes in the 11 to 19 years. They grow faster, they change their voice, and also the external appearance also changes. So some of the changes occurs in this age. The age between 10 or 11 to 19, this period is known as adolescence period. We call it as the age between the 11 to 19. So this period is known as adolescence. This period is known as adolescence. Now you have the 12 or 13 years. So you are in the age of adolescence. You can see the changes in your body. Yes, we can see some changes in our body. We see changes in the age 13 to 19, that is 11 to 19 years. This period is known as adolescence. During this period, changes are observed inside and as well as the outside. That is, external means outside. We can see some changes in our body. Externally we can see the changes, and internally also we can see the changes inside the body. We can see some changes externally, and internally also we can see the changes in the age group of 11 to 19. We can see. Okay, so I given some example. Okay, in the age 11 to 19, we grow very faster. We grow very faster. Sometimes we can see after 1 year, after the holidays or summer vacation, some people will grow very faster. And also some of the boys, they change their voice. Okay, the voice. Okay, have you seen the voice? Okay, when they comes in the 7th or the 8th, the voice may be changed. The tone may be changed. So have you reached the age of adolescence? See, if you have reached the adolescence, what are the changes you are able to observe in our body? Yeah. So what are the changes you can observe in our body? Okay, in some of the boys we can see the mustaches. That is, क्या बोलते हैं? मीशाल अंटाరు కదా అది. Mustaches you can see, and on the upper lip. Okay, you can see some for the boys. We can see the mustache, and also the voice change will be you can observe. Okay, you can observe voice change also, and the armpit also you can see the hairs. Okay, in the armpit you can see the hair, and we can see on the faces you can see the pimples. These are the changes you can see the pimples or the acne, that is spot, that is dark marks on our skins, on the faces. Okay, pimples and acne. Okay, if you observe this, and what we do means in the age group, okay, when you enter into the adolescence, we always comb our hair. This also we can see the changes. Always we go in front of the mirror. Okay, we go in front of the mirror, and then what we do, we will comb our hair again. We put the powder on our faces. we want to look smart. We want to look smart. So that's why what they do means they, okay, these are the changes. Okay, whatever we are seeing this, are you taking care of your face by applying powder and combing your hair frequently? Yes. Some of the boys and the girls, what they do, they always stand in front of the mirror and they comb their hair and always they put the powder on their faces. Okay, and also some okay, the girls when okay they want to speak to the boys, they shy. They feel okay, they shy. Shy means what is meant by shy? Okay, to talk with the boys or the girls, they feel shy. Shy means sigu. Okay, are you feeling shy when talking with the opposite sex? Okay, the boy talks to the girl, he feels shy to talk with the girl, and the girl also feels shy when talking with the boys. Are you not interested to play with the opposite sex? Okay, you are not. So till the 5th class or till the 10 years, you play with the boys and the girl. Okay, like this you will play. After when you enter into the adolescence, you are not going to play with the boys or girls. Are you showing restlessness while your parents suggest you to do something? Okay, if your parents says to do something work, okay, do the work, what they do? Okay, no, mama, I won't do the work. You do, okay, they say like that only. Okay, they say, well, okay, I won't do. They feel very restlessness. So, in most of these changes we can see. So, in that some people have the 5 or 6 changes. Some people changes the voice. Some people have the arm. Okay, they have the hair on in the armpit. Okay, and in some of the people we can see the pimples and the acne on their faces. So, these are the changes we can see in the adolescent period. And some of the people frequently they see in the mirror combing their hair. All this we can observe in the adolescent period. So some people have some changes. Some people have the mustaches or for the boys, voice changes, they grow faster and they have the armpit hair, and frequently what they do, they go to the in front of the mirror and they comb and they want to look smart. And some other people have the pimples and the acne on their faces. So these are the changes we can see. During the adolescence, changes occur in external, internal part of the body. So in the adolescent period, we can see the changes in the internally and also the externally. Okay, we can see the changes in the inside the body and as well as the outside the body. You will show interest to spend time with your peers. Okay, you want to time pass or pass the time with your feelings with your friends. You want to share all the feelings with your friends. The changes may be misleading. Okay, the same. What is the main? Okay, means they are also same age. Okay, you have the friends, so they are also same age. If they also don't know the knowledge about this, okay, if they are sharing this, it's better to share the feelings with your parents. Okay, if you are not sharing the feelings with your parents, you may be misled. They also don't know the correct, they also don't know the correct information, and you know only the half of the knowledge of this. So due to that, you may go into the wrong way. That is you may go into the wrong way. So when you take the guidance of your parents, you can move in the right manner or in the right, okay. See here. So the people who are in the age of 11 and 19, we can't say they are childhood or the adult. They are in between the childhood and the adult. Okay, the adolescence is nothing but they are between the childhood and the adult. Sometimes your parents says, अरे बड़े होके भी नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे बोलते हैं ना. So we are, so those who are in the middle of 11 to 19 years, they comes under the adolescent. Okay, adolescent. So sometimes they say, why you are doing kidding? Okay, like this we ask. छोटे बच्चों की तरह मत करो. थोड़े जने क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ बड़े बच्चों की तरह मत करो बोलते हैं ना. So you are not between the child. Okay, you are between the childhood and the adult. You are also confused. I am a child or I am a adult. They may confuse. We have a lot. Okay, so there is a complex stage. Okay, we can say the adolescent is a complex stage. It is a complex one. You are not comes under the childhood or you are not comes under the adult. So you are in the between of these two. It is a complex one, that is the difficult one it is. And then see here changes. Okay, you can see the changes in the adolescence. First we see the height. Changes in the adolescence. We can see the changes in the adolescence. So increase in the height. Increase in the height. Increase in height. Yes, see here. In this period only we grow very faster. In the age of 11 to 19 only we grow. After that we stop our growing. After 19 we will grow? No. Till the 19 years only we can grow. So, okay, in the human beings or in the animals, they have a certain age for the growing. Yeah, for the humans and the animals, they have a certain age. They have the certain age. Okay, till the certain age only they can grow. After that, they stop growing. So, after certain age, they stop growing. After 19 years in the human beings, they stop growing after 19. And in the animals also, in some of them they have the stop. Okay, they stop growing after 1 year or the 2 years or the 3 years, like this. Each and every animal have the different ages, so they can stop here. But the plants doesn't have the plant does. They will grow till their age. Okay, they can grow up to the certain height. They doesn't have the certain age. They can grow throughout their lifetime. The plants can grow throughout their lifetime. Yes. Yeah, we are growing. If you grow like this, okay, like the plants, what happens? Okay, every year, if we don't have the certain age, then each after 20, 21, 22, like this we grow. Okay, our age also increases and as well as our height also increases. Then how we will look? Okay, it's very funny to see that type of person. So the plants, we can see the plants also grow throughout the year. They grow throughout their life. Yes, they grow throughout their life. Yes, the plants will grow. If you cut the plant, sometimes what you do, we cut the branches. Again the plant will grow. So they have the throughout their life they grow. Okay, we can see the plants are very big, taller. Okay, we can see taller than our first floor, second floor. We can see that. Okay, they are there. Okay, that's why we can see the differences in the humans and the animals and the plants. Is they have the certain age, and according to their age only they can grow. After certain age they can't able to grow. After 19 years they stop growing. But in the plants they can grow throughout their lifetime. Okay, to know their individual. Okay, see here, if you have the height, see, to know our age, or okay, if you know the age and your height, we can calculate our. So when you attain the 19 years or the 19 years, we can see that we how much. So we have the So an individual reaches his her maximum height during the adolescent period. So we can see in the adolescent period only they can grow maximum height. Okay, in the adolescent period only the person may grow to the maximum height. Okay, after that they won't grow, they stop here. Okay, if it is 5.6, okay, 5 feet, 5 feet 6 inches. So what happened? The person attained that much only at the age of 90 and then they stop here. Okay, they have the maximum height. They can get the maximum height in the adolescent period only. After that, what they do? They stop here. And see here, an individual reaches his or her maximum height during the adolescent period only. Till the 19 years they can grow faster. Till that they can grow very faster and they attain the maximum height. To know, okay, do you know up to which age you will grow? Up to age, okay, till what age you can grow? Till the 19th age. Till the 19 we can grow. At the age of 19 only, okay, till the age of 19 we can grow. After 19 we can't able to, okay, we are not growing, okay, we are not able to grow. Okay, can you guess the maximum height you will reach? Okay, we can guess. We have one formula, and when you reach, now you are in the 12 years only. And how many years we require to attain the 19? 7 years more are there. Okay, we have the 7 years more. So after 7 years you will attain the 19. So at the 19 age, what is your height? We can calculate. We can calculate this. Observing the growth rate. See here, the figure are only representative and they may be individual variation. According to your parental genes, they may be, see here, age in the years, full height and percentage of full height in the girls. At the age, see here, to know the actual height when you attain the 19, see here. What have you observed from the above table? Using the data of table 1, graph has been drawn. Observe the graph and answer the following question. By seeing this, see here, the red color is for the boys and the blue color line is for the girls. See here, at the certain age, when does growth in height nearly stops? For the girls, it stops at 18. Okay, stops at 18. 18, or we can say the 16 years or 17 years, this stops. Which period of age, according to you, is the fastest growing period for the girls? In which stage we can see for the girls, which age is very fast? We can see from 12 to 14 years they has been very rapid for the girls. From the 14 years, 14 to, that is 12 to 16 years they can grow faster. 16 we know, it is 14 years we can say. Till the 14 years you can grow very faster for the girls. Which period of age is the fastest growing period for the girls? And for the boys, it is for the boys, what is that? From the 14 years, we can, from the 14 years, yes, from the 14 years or from the 12 years, we can see they are very fast growing for the boys, for the 14 years. Who do grow faster? Who will grow very faster? The boy or the girl? The boy or the girl will grow faster, or the boy? The girls will grow very faster than the boys. Who will grow very faster? Girls will grow very faster. Okay. So, in the age of, see here table, and you can find out who are going to, okay, see here they have given some of the question to you, and initially the girls grow faster than, okay, starting the girls will grow very faster, starting age they grow very faster. After this what happens, they stop growing, slowly they move, and after that 12 to 14 years or the 15 years the boys will grow very faster. Initially, the girls grow faster than the boys, but by about 18 years of age, both reaches their maximum. So, when they attain the 18 years, they grow maximum height. Okay, the boy or the girl, when they reach at the age of 18, they get the height, maximum height they will get. Okay, they grow at the maximum height. The rate of growth in the height varies in different individuals. So we can see in our classes only. In our class, some are very short. You are in the same class. If you are in the same class, we can see the all are in the same height. No. Okay. Some are short. Some are short and some are tall. Yes or no? Yeah, all are same height in your class. No, we are not in the same height. Some are short and some are tall. So due to, okay, why it is due to, according to their individuality or through their parents only we get the tall or the heights also. We get the height from our parents. If our parents are very height, we are, okay, when they are very tall, we are so tall due to the, so we have the DNA, nucleus we have. Through this only we are getting the heights. Some may grow suddenly and then grow slowly down gradually. Okay, so we can see some of the in your classes only. Okay, in your class only we can see some people will grow very faster. Okay, they grow very faster and stops here. And what happens after stopping here? They grow very slowly. Some people what they grow slowly. Okay, like this. Okay, they grow slowly. I will tell you how much height you will grow. You can also tell how much height your friend will grow. For this you need the following formula. To grow your, okay, when you attain the 19 years, what is your height? What is your height? See here, they have given one formula here, present height. Present height. What is the, okay, present height? By maximum height that you may gain into 100. If you do this, you can show maximum height that you may gain. See here. If your height is